Hey guys, we're here on Oak Street in Burnet, just about an hour outside of Austin, and there is a lot of damage that came from just a small little creek that sits behind this shed. One thing I want to talk to you about is here on Oak Street, a ton of structures have moved because of how high the water came. It knocked structures off of its foundation and moved it into other people's yards. Check out this shed right here as we continue moving forward. It used to sit in this dirt mound before the water swept it away and brought it into their neighbor's yard.